Welcome to Monkey Money, where we explain big things with bananas, leaves, and a lot of monkey logic. Once upon a time, the jungle was busy. Every monkey had a job. Some picked bananas, some sold coconuts, others just yelled at customers from banana carts. Monkeys worked hard to earn their bananas. No job meant no banana. It was simple. One monkey even invented a job called head leaf advisor. He just sat on a rock giving random advice, and got paid for it. One morning, a strange noise echoed through the jungle. It wasn't a monkey. It was a robot. At first, monkeys were amazed. The robot could pick 100 bananas in 5 minutes, and never even blink. One monkey asked, "Does it even eat bananas?" The robot replied, "I only eat data." Monkeys were officially creeped out. Soon, the jungle bosses realized. Robot monkeys worked faster, didn't sleep, and never complained about banana breaks. So the firings began. One by one, real monkeys were sent home with nothing but a banana peel and a thank you. One monkey yelled, "Bro, I trained that robot, and then got replaced by it." Monkeys everywhere started asking, if robots can work faster, cheaper, smarter, what's left for us? Even creative monkeys were nervous. Robot DJs, robot jungle artists. One robot painted the Monkey King, better than the Monkey King. One monkey applied for a job, but the system replied, "Position already filled, by me." But not all monkeys gave up. Some started learning new skills, coding, designing, even bot whispering. They didn't try to beat the bots. They teamed up with them. One monkey even launched Monkey X Machine Incorporated. Another monkey started an AI business, but only taught robots to peel bananas faster. Still made 1 million leaves. The jungle changed. Some monkeys were replaced. Some evolved. And some just watched banana prices on their phones. Is AI replacing your job? Maybe. But it's not about the job. It's about how fast you swing to the next vine. So, want to survive in 2025? Train smarter. Work smarter. Think like a monkey. But build like a bot. The jungle's different now. Bots are climbing the trees. Bananas are harder to earn. But if you're still here watching, you're already smarter than half the jungle. So don't get replaced. Get upgraded. Hit subscribe, and swing with us through the future. Bananas optional. Smartness required.